Guys, here I am at Walgreens and I thought we would stroll through their makeup. So let's do this, guys. Well, through their accessories, guys. So let's see what they have. So here they have their tweezers and they have the Revlon nail clippers. So that's nice to know they have. I needed some files. I needed some heavy duty files. So yeah, I'm liking their nail clippers. Look at them. Here's the toenail clippers and the regular ones, and they range from $12.49, $13.49 to up to $15.99. Then they have the regular ones here, the cuticle pushers and the facial hair razors. That's pretty neat. And this is the Blemish Remover. That looks so painful. Okay, guys, so we gotta keep this moving. So here they have the whole like grooming set right here for $8.29, and this is for the callus shaver, and then you're doing your own pedicures at home, which is pretty cool. Oh look, they have their nail stuff. Oh, I gotta grab one of these. Okay, these are hard to come by since we're doing our nails at home, guys. So they're $10.99, but it says, what is that, buy? I can't see with the card. You buy one for $10 and you get one for 50% off. Look how beautiful those are. And these, aren't they nice? So then over here we get into their Wet n Wild. So you have your brushes up here along the top, and then you have their mascaras. That's Sally Hansen. So over here we get back to Wet n Wild. You have it in, is that a mascara? This is a mascara. This is an eyeliner. That's a mascara. Oh, guys, you have, what is that? A waterproof primer, and then you have the, water drop primer and water drop primer. This one's coconut. That's cucumber. Okay, then you have your liquid foundations over here. So that's really nice. Look at this. They have the bronzers down here. What I'm not seeing though is the prices on these items right here. But anyway, they do have this stuff here, and then they have, it looks like their lipsticks colors right here. And look at these. Like, I'm just loving that little lipstick, those lips on the lipstick there. They're so cute. Then you have the colors here, and they range all the way up. Then you have your Sally Hansen nail polish, and I can't reach that one, but it says Mega something up there, the Mega Strength, and they come in all those colors right there. Then you have the gel nail polishes. Look at all the colors they have, guys. I was looking for a really nice purple. Like this one here is really nice because I like the deep color. But these are like $10 here. So I think I'll wait until I have a coupon for that. So they have the more nail polish over here, and then they have the Neutrogena. Guys, so these over here have a price. These are the Perfect Tone lip gloss for $4.29. So these are $4.29 also, and these. So these over here, I don't see a price for them. And this is the lip Sculptor. And here's the highlighting powder, but there's no price. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then you come over here, and this is also Neutrogena. And this buy one get one at 50% off. So their mascaras are $9.79. Okay, and this one is $14.9. These are $14.99. Then you have all of your foundations and your pressed powder along the bottom. Then you have these Neutrogena Lip Shine. Those are $10.49, but is buy one, and it's a sale with the card at $9.99 and get one at 50% off. You have the Retouch and Erase. Then you have the Prime Perfection and Correct. And then you have the Conceal and Protect 2-in-1. Conceal and Protect, and then you have this Glow Powder. Then you have this Baked Blush right there, and then you have this Rose Powder Blush, $8.49. Then you have this Pressed Powder, Bronzing Powder for $10.49, and those are your conceal powders for $10.99. That's pretty nice. And you have their lipsticks over here. These are $5.49. These are $6.99. This is the matte lipstick. Okay, these up here are $11.49. And these. And then you have these. This is Insider, Maverick. Your liquid liners are on the bottom there. And then you come into Revlon over here, and you have the BB creams over here. And then you have your foundations right here. Then you have this Candid Glow for $10.99. That's new, $10.99, and you have all of the shades here. That's full coverage for $13.99, and here's the sticks, the Instant Skin Retoucher. Then you have your eliminating, the Shine Eliminating Powder. I like that. I think I want to get some of that. And then here you have some of your Satin and Shimmer Blush. I think we saw these already, but I'm loving these colors for $4.99. And then this here is Double Extend Mascara. That's L'Oreal. Okay guys, so we're just taking a browse right through the makeup section since I'm right here at the Walgreens picking up some prescriptions. So guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I pray that you stay safe and sound, and I will see you guys in another video.